Outfit is on. Okay. Boy, Nina, I'm not feel so right. Oh, the knee, man, the knee. Rocks in a sports mode.
You are them sister, right?
No, the mother.
The mother?
Yeah.
So when you have them?
Late teens or late 20s.
Oh, you're the bad?
No!
Afraid of everything? I'm not afraid, I'm just afraid of my drop. That's it, that's all. God, them know me and the girl go together real bad.
5150. Get afraid now she out again. Afraid now she out again. 6 spots bust. Which badness? About a mil now. Penny hops laugh my friend. My dog want anybody want. The calm nerves man pop off a pill. We boy when you knock off a 6.
Welcome back to another vlog. Yeah, not quite midweek, but you know, you guys are either seeing this on a Thursday or a Friday. So you guys see me in my robe, right? My makeup is all done, and tonight we are going out. Yes, we are going out. I was invited to this lounge. So they're having like themed nights there. Tonight is a soca night, so your girl was invited. So you know, my makeup is done, pretty soft glam and stuff. So I haven't quite picked out my outfit as yet, so that's what we're about to get into. And I felt like, you know what, I wanted to add something to the look for the face tonight. So I did get some glasses from Glam, so shout out to them for that. So I got 4 brand new pairs of glasses. If you do not know what Glam is, they are a glasses company, online glasses company. They do offer blue light blocking and prescription services with their glasses. So I think that's super convenient, like so convenient. I've personally had prescription glasses from them before. Shami has explored their prescription glasses, like mommy has explored their prescription glasses, and it's amazing. They have so many different like varieties. So yeah, so you know what, I wanted to see what that glasses vibe would look like with an outfit tonight. So that's what we're about to get into for this evening's look. These are the 4 pairs of glasses that I got from Glam, and these styles that I got are specifically from their rave collection. So I'm super excited about that because they're just filled with so much like flair and sass. So let's get into what I got. This pair right here, I absolutely love the color mashup going on here. Definitely gives me that rave vibe. It gives excitement, it gives spunk. These are very fun, so I definitely get why they would add a style like this to rave. I love the thick handles right here, like look at that. It looks so good with my makeup too, like what. And let me mention how lightweight this is. I feel like their glasses are also makeup friendly. Like this is not resting on my nose area too much. I love this one. Definitely, this is giving that nighttime club vibe. Love it. I love the deep purple. It is very bold, but it's not too bright, if you get what I mean. I like the darker tones used to blend on this design. I also like how sleek the handles are. Yeah, this would look so great if you decided to go ahead and add like your prescription lens to it. Another colorful vibe. I love the pop of blue, guys. You know me, you know I love a good pop of blue. And then again, it's not bad. It's not bad. Really fun. Glam going with themselves. It's giving. To say I really love this one. So this is like gonna be like in my top 2 for sure. I'm loving this one, and I love this one. It's giving like a nice pop of color, like the ultimate pop of color with this orange. And then I love the thickness of the handle. Like again, all of these glasses are lightweight so far, but you can't beat a clean black frame. You just can't, at least for me. I love it. My current like test glasses are black frames. You cannot beat that. But I feel like to add a little like spunk to it, these definitely are giving. Okay. Also, for this summer, if you're looking for other styles, so fun festival, a rock concert, hip-hop event, boho, etc., they have something for you. You can go ahead and visit Vooglam's Cult Vision page, where you will see all the collections listed. As you can see, I'm going through them, showing you guys the variety that they do have. I think that's absolutely amazing. It's a wide selection. It's a win-win. I don't know, something about the colors here is just screaming excitement and fun, and I'm gonna go with this one. I'm gonna go ahead and, you know, try my outfit, and we're gonna see what it's giving. These are the shoes, so you know, yeah, it's a different vibe. The outfit is on, and now I'm gonna put the glasses on. You see? Okay, guys, when I say makeup friendly, I've had this on for a minute now. Absolutely no creasing to my makeup whatsoever. The material on the glasses, all of them, pretty good, like very good quality. So tens right across the board. The style is there, the trend is there, the quality is there, the functionality is there. 10s. By the way, you know, specifically for the rave collection, I feel like it is definitely suitable for, like, if you go into any music festivals, anything that involves that upbeat vibe, party vibe, excitement. Definitely the rave collection was tailored to that vibe for sure. But yeah, that's it for my new glasses from Vooglam today. If you guys liked any of these designs, if you want to go ahead and explore the rave collection or any other collection they may have, the direct link will be down below in my description box. That's it for the outfit of the night. So now that we got through that, let's go ahead and check out the vibe of this lounge. Let's go. Promise a minute. I said, whoa, I was swaggle. I'm going to the river. So this is the outfit. The river that we're going to today is out by Gordontown, I believe. The name is Pretty Close. Found it on IG. And this river, I was like, them bougie, because I wanted to go to the river from Saturday, but turns out you have to make a reservation. I was like, reservation? What do you mean you have to make a reservation for go to the river? So I guess a lot of people have been going there or whatever, so to control just the amount of persons that are there at a time, I guess this is what they have to do. I don't know, but there is a fee. But when I check it out, I'm like, okay, you're paying more for the food because the fee includes a meal and like what would you call a super snack, or it's not a beverage, I don't know, but it includes a soup too. And you can order additional stuff for an additional cost, but these things come specifically in the cost. I will tell you the details of what those are. So it's like 6,500 JMD per person or 40 USD. So I'm like, when I look at the list of everything that you're getting in the meal, I'm like, I think it worked out. I think I don't reach it. So when we reach, I would say what is given, then we can say for sure. But that's I had to make a 50% deposit. When I wanted to go, couldn't go because it booked out. It's been booked and today was the first day available, so I just said, all right, let's go today. By the way, this is supposed to be the midweek vlog, but you guys are getting it a little later because we're going on the actual day that I would upload the midweek vlog, which is Wednesday. So there's that. So yeah, so you guys probably getting this tomorrow, Thursday, or I don't know, maybe Friday. I don't know, let's see how it works out. But yeah, so yeah, you guys are really getting spoiled because this is a vlog before carnival vlog. I know you guys are really, you can't wait for the carnival vlog. I hear the excitement, all that stuff. And it's red. Oh yeah, by the way, Travis is driving us. I'm not driving because I came out with the Rocky Road. I came out, me just when I'm going to the river. I'm going to the river. I can't bother to drive. So anyways, Travis is driving and it's time to go. So I'm gonna forget my river shoes. So I'm gonna wear Crocs. Last time I wore Crocs in the river water, somebody's like laughing, like it's like perfect, like no biggie. Anyway, let's go because Travis is here.
None of them, though.
Look at me.
You space it or you space it? Okay.
The knee.
You want the knee?
No, it's not me.
Y'all buy my knee?
Your knee good? Oh, your knee better than mine.
Firm right here. You have a bad bunny?
Remember one time Travis come at gym with me? Man, I dead on the treadmill. Remember them tell me? No, me go on the treadmill, man. He me do the bicycle?
Yes, spin class.
He me come at spin class? Mirror. Travis never... Listen, Travis never look back. He never asked back for any.
What you about something?
Watch my man. Travis, where you look for? This man, I pull up the whole car. You have to go wear that way you have on by your foot. By the way, for everybody wanna know, Travis is our driver. I always have to say that for the new subbies. Yeah, he's our driver. So, yeah. I just did have this on my head for along the air. I take it. Wait, no, I'm not take it off yet. We're gonna walk 20 minutes. Walk 20 minutes to go. 20 minutes, I say. What for call him now? Alright. Guys, Crocs in a sports mode, you know. Because I never bring my river shoes. Crocs in a sports mode. Let's get it. Everybody else have their river shoes. But mine went like that, I literally forget it. And we ready to go. But him find one.
He must come. Him have more than one, but it look like it come out. You know.
It's about to be a hype. It's like not right now, but yeah.
Are you? I don't know.
In front, you know.
Good.
Show me where you gone to the side for. Come on.
Let me know what I want to see and touch and break.
Travis really know the place because he led us down here, because how they set it, I think you're supposed to like go to the square and then get a shuttle to come down here, but they literally didn't tell us that until like, if I was already asleep from early, I would have seen the message. So I got a message after 1 a.m. this morning that we should take a shuttle after we reach the square. But you know, I already have Travis driving us, so he know the place, so we never need to do that. But then we came and then one of the workers was just so unpleasant. Man, no, Jamaica need to fix that, you know. Jamaica need to fix that. Customer service is so important. The rest of people were very apologetic, though, I must say. They tried to do damage control, but I was like, can we just be pleasant? Because that's not okay. Like, I'm trying to come to the river to have fun. I'm trying to do it. But yeah, we're past that, so hopefully we can just have a really nice time. Yeah. So this we get upon arrival. There's some soup here. Thank you.
Oh, nah, you're born. Yeah. God, you are them sister, right?
No, the mother.
The mother? Yeah. So when you have them?
Late teens.
Oh, you're the bad?
No.
Come, Travis.
Travis, go down first.
ball. Go on.
Oh,
Lead the way.
rotate it. Him really lead the way.
Alright, come on, let's go all my and here to
Oh, this is scaredy cat. She
plant, yeah.
afraid of
I'm not
everything.
afraid, and I'm just afraid my drop. That's it, that's all. God, them know me and the girl go together real bad.
Oh God.
Me them start knock up on me already.
You know, like when people go on hike, they need a stick. They need a purse. I can't bother.
Last ball, 52.
The breeze from the falls is so nice. It's so cool. The water is cold, but it's so good. Ah, yes. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Feels so good. It come like the water kind of decrease the volume of water. You say higher than it? The way the stone them look like river used to flow through them. You know, like it decreased. So yes, I kind of rough. So now we're going to get our food, but that was really good. The water was so nice. Yeah, man, this when in the I prefer river over beach now. I get it. I prefer the river over the beach. Like I never did really say like I have a preference, but I definitely.
You not ready for the food now?
Yeah, man, I'm hungry.
First green planting, fried planting, I tell stew and callaloo.
But I used to go wash off because the mountain hills and valleys that we climb. We're waiting on our food. So we get everything on the menu. Let me tell you. So remember, I already told you guys the fee. So what's on the menu for today? So you get the soup when you arrive, right? And rice and peas, fried fish, ackee and saltfish, cabbage or callaloo, whatever them have available on the day of the reservation. Festival or pressed green planting. Eh?
It's a super bean meat.
Or broth then. Broth. Yeah. Or fried breadfruits, fried ripe plantain, ital stew. You get a beverage or jelly depending on what is available. So that's what comes in the 40 USD or 65 GMD. And you can special order steamed fish, ital ackee, cook up saltfish. So that's a special order. That's extra. But we're getting the ackee within the money that way. No, that's an ital ackee.
Oh.
Yeah. So I think that's pretty good. So we're going to see what the serving size is like because we're getting all of that in one serving. So I'm not think that bad. The falls was really good. Sham was acting real brand new today. Thank you. I love how God I work with we. As soon as we finish, I just know the rain won't come down. But it was such a great time. I love the fact that I came here. I do not regret. As you guys can see, we're gonna change. We're gonna go get the movie tickets now. And and then we're gonna head home. Got back at home. Yeah, that was such a vibe. And look at the meltdown still. Like, the wig is on. P.S. LUXE lace line. It's not plain. It was such a vibe. I enjoyed myself, despite it started off kind of rocky, you know, with the whole customer service thing. I mean, she did come back and she was way more pleasant. I more than likely, I think they spoke to her because they were there, you know, and I'm happy we could, you know, pass that, and everything else was A1. The only thing I feel like is like I expected a little bit more based on what I saw on social media. I don't know. Yeah, I expected a little bit more, but the food was okay. Came in a timely manner. It was everything that they explained it would be in terms of that, and yeah, so I'm pretty pleased. The day was a good day. You guys saw that we went out last night. Later, why them say so, but we're moving me in there? There's no extra. But yeah, we're here to watch the movie now, guys. Oh god, the man stuck, you know. The man said it. Where we are gonna. Man said it. One thing though, I'm not foreign owners extra one from the light over there. Come on, if you watch Stranger Things, but that's what I tell you, you cannot follow them. I mean, because I 10, how much you don't give it?
I'm gonna say a 7.
A 7?
Yeah. I would.
You not like it like that? Really?
You give it a 6.5.
Why?
It wasn't. Personally, I mean, I find vampire stuff scary. Like, it's just like.
That's the thing, me never think it's scary.
So
like, we're back home, guys, and I really loved the movie. It was really nice. It was very entertaining. Now, based on what I saw on social media, that's why I know for the time, I really don't go by what I see on social media. Like, I just love to go and see something for myself, because the level of like horror that I expected based on the feedbacks of what I saw on like TikTok and stuff, I don't think it was. I mean, if I watch Stranger Things, if you watch Stranger Things, you'll be fine if you go to see the movie. Really and truly. But I was entertained, and we watched it in 4D. Now, what I can say is I realized the 4D experience here with how they set up the theater in Carib versus when I'm overseas, this is more intense. I don't know if them set the seats on a different level of like intensity, and I am aware, yeah, you can do that with the seats like in the US too, but I always put it on the highest level, and it's never that like intense. I loved it. Chef is, it made, honestly, I don't feel like Sinners is a movie that really needs 4D, but we still went ahead and got it. It added a little bit more razzle-dazzle to seeing the movie. I liked it. I really think if you're looking for something to watch, something nice and intense filled with action, you could go see it. I'm not gonna give no spoilers today, no, but I think Michael B. Jordan came through again. The guy, Sammy, if you watched it, like this, oh my gosh, talented, like, he's like the little boy he's like the teenager. He sounds like a grown man. Like, his voice is so strong, like so powerful. Like, I think they chose a perfect person to sing in the film. Like, one thing I forgot to add in terms of my thoughts of the movie is that, yeah, I came to like wash my face off and stuff. One thing I forgot to add was like, I feel like the movie had so much different layers to it, and just like messages that relates to our nowadays world that we live in, and it was deeper than just the visuals. Like, it was giving so many different messages, and it's just like you have to be careful about what you're indulging in, because it might just be attracting so many different energies, you know. And at the end of the day, life is about black and white. It's good and bad, and you know, sometimes you might love something, but you have to be mindful of what energy you're really attracting. So that really resonated with me. Like, that stuck out so much throughout watching the entire thing. But yeah, I think they did a good job with it. Yeah, I think you should go watch it. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much where I'm gonna close out today's vlog. Yeah, today was really a nice day. It was a nice balanced day, a day by the river, and then we went to the movies, and I did come home in between and get some work done as well. So if you made it this far into today's vlog, go ahead and comment River Par. Yeah, go ahead and comment that River Par, because it was a vibe. Yeah, that's it, and I'll see you guys in the carnival vlog. So yeah, see you guys then. Bye.